So just the most important thing first, So this is the Wi-Fi. So like that, it will take you some time to type it, and then you get concentrated. Huh? No, it is written outside and things like that. It is written on the board there, on the wall here too. So like that, you don't have to stress. Okay? Huh? So then, if you tweet, please use this hashtag. Like that, we get a bit synchronized. Okay? So welcome. Welcome to this conference. When I said we, I said me also. I'm super happy that we have ESUG in Germany. This was something that we were waiting for a couple of years. So you see, this is a rock place, so that's cool too. So so this year we are 164 or 65, something like that. So this is super cool. So really thanks to be here. I want that you remember that ESUG really happened because you are coming, because else we will not do it. So this is also your conference. You will see I have some slots for you for the presentation. So I would like to thank Zweidenker. So where is Norbert? You should come, Norbert. So the local organizer.
Hi, welcome to Cologne. So the other thing is to welcome all of you to this nice venue. I hope you like it. I just came for the fame because actually the local organizer is more or less Julia. So I'm just here for the known face, So, and I know it's a bit prefetched because usually you wait until the end of the conference before you say thank you, it was nice. But Julia is your first day, so maybe we can get some applause for all the things she does.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, I don't want to ruin the conference, so I stop here. So enjoy.
Wait.
Oh my God. Thank you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It was fun, so I bought the bag. So okay. So yes, we want to thank our sponsor. So I have a bug because we have two logos and I miss one, so we will fix it. But yes, I want really to thank the sponsor of the conference. So this is important. So thanks a lot, guys. I have a question. For how many people this is the first ESUG? Hey, you see? This is important because every year this is the same. This is approximately 35% of new people. So that's why normally I will explain a bit what is ESUG, because you don't know what is it. So we are a non-profit organization with a board, and the goal is to promote Smalltalk. So I will just go fast. So our objective, we organize this conference every year, so that's really important, but we don't only do that. We have a student volunteer program. So this year there are 19 student volunteers. So you should show them Smalltalk and things like that because this is super cool. You can show them that kind of stuff, or they can also show you what they're doing because some of them are doing really cool stuff. So, and I will show you a bit the action that we have. We sponsor some project. We have some action, some articles. I should change the XXX in the slides. So when people publish an article on a real conference, a scientific conference, we sponsor them. They put the ESUG logo just to show to the scientific people that we can do really cool research in Smalltalk. So this year, Juraj, I don't know where is he or if he's here, got the best paper award paper in a conference, and that was cool. We sponsor it. So We have also mobility, a mobility program that is working super well. This is when a student wants to visit another lab. Often you have all kinds of administrative mess. I will not go into the detail. This is terrible. So the money that ASU gives, this is maximum 600 euros, really helps so that the student can pay the flight or hosting things. Or yes, Tomohiro, I should have add you to the list. It's really useful, and this program works super well. Then this is not announced yet, but we will sponsor Small Talks 2019. So you should ask, I guess. Because if you ask, this is easier, you know. So, but okay. And then last year we organized a lecture in Vietnam on Faro IoT and all kinds of talks. We also sponsors books. There was this book. There was the book of Alex on agile visualization. We will sponsor the next book that Alex will present on IA techniques. In the past, we sponsored all these books. You see, so the student volunteer. This is basically they have free entrance, free hosting, and then they help to organize the conference. So if you have any idea of things that you said, oh, that would be cool to try something, just send us an email. You know, the board is super easy. We don't have rules. So this means that you cannot ban them. So you send a mail, not a long mail, a mail maximum a page, to say what you want to do, and then we vote. And normally we forget to tell you that we accept. So that's like that. Then you ask again, and we said yes. You see? So this is the process. So this year, so I had to fight a lot with Google Calendar. So we have really a lot of talks, and the conclusion is that we really are forced to have a parallel session. I will explain you the other room. This is, you should get out this building, go over the bridge, and this is an alternate cafe that is on the corner. So there we will have the workshops, the international conference, the international workshop, IWST, and then we will have the parallel session on Wednesday because I could not find another place. All the talks are 30 minutes, so you should really pay attention to the time. The year before it was okay, and that does not work. So we will have so you see approximately the schedule. You have everything on the web. You can get the calendar, and I encourage you to use this kind of device. So like that, you can see everything on your mobile. The red part here, this is show us your project. So maybe it will be a bit longer. I should check with the local organizer. And you should register to the student volunteer. So normally they should know. I don't know where it is. So I don't know if you know what is show us your project, but this means that you have 7 minutes to present something, whatever you want. So, and then after 7 minutes, yes, you are kicked out. But this is super fun. You will see this is super fun. So I try to do a really nice program, group things together, and then people arrive and mess up, and they told me, no, I'm not here Monday, I'm only here that, and then I try my best. Now, my insight for the conference, I was looking at it, and I said, oh, that's really interesting, because this year we have many talks on tests and innovation on test, which was not happening since many years. And also for debuggers. You will see there is a super nice talk on object-centric debugger that is coming a reality and going from research to a real debugger. So, and I said, oh yes, that's nice, because if you remember, unit testing was promoted by Ken Beck, and debugger, this is our life. So it's important that we advance on those topics because the world is catching up. Huh? So I was really happy for that. Important stuff. So the coffee. So it will be the coffee break. You see the green stuff. So the coffee break, what I suggest to you is that you can take the coffee and enjoy the garden. So we have all this space outside there. So yes, this is how you already said. We will put some schedule on the door for the room A. So this is room A and room B. So like that you can follow. The technological award, we have 24 competitors. So what I will ask you, the guy in competition, this is just before you will have 10 seconds to say, hello, that's my name. This is the title of my presentation, and I'm cool. And and we do it so like that people see your face and things like that. So normally, I don't know what they decided because this is relay bound. Do we do it? We do it outside, so we will do it outside on the table there and things like that. Okay, you have to show us your project. Okay, for the social event. So we stop at 4:30. Yes. And then after there are 2 city tours for the people that want. I know that there is maybe a gemstone buff or things like that, so you can announce it. What you should know is that for the city tour, we have only 2 times 25 places, so you should register to the student volunteer. There are one that is the visit of the cathedral, and the other one that is the visit of a brewery. You can choose, It's a question. It's a private question. And this is always in front of the cathedral. Okay? And then at 7:30, we have a social event dinner. This is on the web. This is explained. I will explain you how easy this is to go from here. We are there, and you walk there. So we are here. And this is here. Just walk this street. Or it's what? 10 minutes? 15 minutes. Okay. We pay attention to your health, So in any case, if you have any question, problems, whatever, you ask the student volunteer, and then we will solve that. Okay? For ESSUC 2020, we will decide this evening because we have the board meeting and things like that. And probably it will be in Novi Sad in Serbia because there are 2 groups that are doing a small talk there. So we will see. We will announce that probably before the end of the conference. Okay, so that's it. And again, I think that we should thank our sponsors because this is cool. This is cool to have.